Nose hair removal BTS style. Alright, we've got a nose hair problem, and I'm gonna fix it with a kit from Amazon. Got this kit from Amazon for $10. Here's what you get in the kit. These sticks that you put the wax on. You get a measuring cup for the water. You put the wax beads in this cup and you place it on top of the hot water. Oh yeah, these are the wax beads that you're going to melt. So this is what the pellets look like before you put it in the microwave to melt it. I heated them in the microwave for like a minute. Now once it's all melted, you take your sticks and you dip it in, not too much, just right like that. And now stick those bad boys in your nose with a little twist. Alright, we're gonna wait about 90 seconds. Alright, get ready. After about 90 seconds, get ready to pull it out. You just yank! Oh! Oh! It didn't hurt that much. Be a man. Come on. Oh my God, way too much drama. Come on, it didn't hurt. Well, okay, I guess my eyes were watering a little bit. Alright, look at all that nasty nose hairs we pulled out. Holy crap. What do you say, BTS? For $10, BTS says it's